Okay, so today I have a 2005 Town and Country Chrysler minivan, and I'm going to change the window regulator on the passenger side. So I did already change this several years ago, but I noticed it's becoming slower and slower to get the window to go up and down. I had already changed the driver's side one originally about 5 years ago when I purchased this vehicle, and then I changed it again 2 or 3 years ago when the regulator became stuck. So this replacement regulator that I have is about $75, I think, and the ones I had originally purchased was about half the price. So you kind of get what you paid for. So to take the door off, you need to remove this screw and pry this off and disconnect the control, which is this part. Alright, then you lift the door off, you pull off the clips at the bottom, and you lift the door, and you disconnect the switch, this. Alright, and you pull off the clip for this, which locks the door, which opens the door. Alright, and you disconnect the connector for it as well. And then there are 4 screws in here. One here, I took them off already. One here, and one here. And then you'll notice the glass will start to come down a bit. So you have to take some tape, painter's tape, and put some tape around it. Like 3 pieces of tape to hold it in place. And then you pull these clips off. Here's one off already. Here's one off. And there's a third one over here. Right? Sometimes they have clips on them. You have to remove the clips from behind. So you have to take a screwdriver and pry it off. Right? You could actually see these are the parts that stick out to keep this plastic piece onto the door. So you have to squeeze these to get the clips off. Right? And then you need to twist this to get it off. Right? You turn this piece right at an angle and you pull it off. Right? And yeah, and then you do the reverse to put it all back together. There's also a connector here to release that you need to release when you're getting this one off. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. Be right back. Alright, so I had to reconnect the switch and I had to lower the window to get these bolts. You slacken this because the window is grabbing onto the window. So you slacken this, and that way you're able to pull the window back up and tape it up. Right, I already have some tape ready for it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, a 10mm gets these off. How do I get to that one? Gotta take the extension off. Alright, there you go. Alright, and you do the same thing on the other side, and then you pull the window up and tape it up. Okay, so the window's all taped up. Now you have to get this out. Okay, so you turn this one this way as much as you can and you pull these lines. Alright, and that allows this one to go at this angle, and then you're able to get it just past this corner. Once you get this one out, the other one comes out easily. Okay, so you turn it this way and until that bottom piece clears the edge. And there it is. So just disconnect this connector. Alright, so this is the old one. Let me show you what the new one looks like. This is the more expensive replacement. And this is the item. I'll put a link below showing which one it is, where I got it. WRA 51533. So assembly is basically the opposite of removal. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.